Hey everyone! Today we're here to unravel one of the most confusing words in tech, the cloud. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what the cloud is, but where your data lives and why a Tier 3 data center is one of the safest places it could possibly be. Let's dive in. So what is the cloud? So here's the big secret. The cloud isn't some magical place in the sky. You don't have to be Aladdin or on a blimp to access it. The cloud is essentially a super secure, temperature-controlled building filled with super-powered computers called servers, storing your data. Those holiday photos, emails, and TikTok drafts, they're all stored on these servers, not just floating in the air. For example, when you upload a file onto your Google Drive, it's sent directly to a server in a data center. And when you need that file, it's retrieved from the same place. The cloud is essentially just a fancy way of saying that you're using somebody else's storage space. So why is it called the cloud? Simply because early scientists used to use a cloud symbol in their networking diagrams. That's it. It could have been a lot more confusing. Like, imagine if they used a hot dog or a rainbow instead. You'd be saying, my data is up in the hot dog. And, as our friends at Tulsa Connect like to say, the cloud starts on the ground. So what is a data center? So now we know that the cloud actually lives in data centers, but what are those? Think of a data center as a super secure home for servers. They're designed specifically to keep servers cool, powered, and protected from power loss and the elements. And when I say secure, I mean Fort Knox level safety. The best data centers have physical security, like impenetrable walls, cameras, and biometric locks, to keep intruders out. They also have advanced cybersecurity measures to keep your data safe from hackers. So, uptime. Now, if we're talking about the cloud, we have to talk about uptime. Uptime is a measure of how often a system, like a data center, is operational and available. In tech, uptime is king. It ensures that your services run smoothly. For example, a Tier 3 data center offers 99.982% uptime. That means that out of 8,760 hours in a year, there's only 1.6 hours of downtime. That's reliability. Think about it. Time is money. For a mega corporation like Google, 1.6 hours of downtime could lead to a $62 million loss. Not all data centers are created equal. They're ranked by tiers based on reliability and uptime. Tier 1. This is a basic setup with no redundancy. Expect downtime if something goes wrong. Tier 2. Now this is slightly better with some backup power and cooling. Tier 3. Think of a Tier 3 data center like a car with multiple backup batteries and spare tires. Even if one fails, there's always another ready to keep you moving. Tier 3 data centers like Tulsa Connect are where reliability meets efficiency. With only 1.6 hours of downtime a year, you know that your information is safe and always readily available. So why Tulsa Connect? Well, your data will be stored in a super secure, ultra-reliable facility, and you'll be supporting a local Tulsa-born business who's dedicated to keeping your information safe. From redundant power systems to advanced cooling and 24/7 monitoring, Tulsa Connect stands out, not just for its technology, but for its personal touch. With a local team that's available 24/7, you'll always have someone to count on. So now you're officially cloud savvy. Make sure that when you're choosing your data center, you choose somewhere that's reliable and secure, like Tulsa Connect. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or even tips and tricks, make sure to leave them in the comments. Down there, you can also leave suggestions for new videos. We'll see you guys next week, but make sure to subscribe in the meantime. I'm out.